Welcome back to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we've got the sequel of one of our most popular videos, which is Easy Party Drinks. So welcome to Easy Party Drinks 2. What we're gonna do today is very similar to the last show, and we're gonna show you how to elevate those 2-ingredient cocktails up to a professional level. We're gonna be making Vodka Cranberry, we're gonna be making Fluffy Peaches, and we're gonna be making fizzes. And then we're gonna show you how to batch one of the most infamous cocktails of history, the Vodka Martini. And these drinks are so easy to make, you can even make them blindfolded. Let's get into it, guys. We're gonna make the Vodka Cranberry. Super simple drink, but it's actually one of the most searched for drinks on the internet. It only contains 2 ingredients. Beautiful drink that tastes of cranberry juice. And in fact, the vodka will elevate that cranberry juice to make it taste a little bit more cranberry-y. Cranberry-y? Tastes more like cranberries. Let's jump straight into it. And these drinks are so easy to make, you can even make them blindfolded. I'm gonna make it blindfolded. Yeah. I believe you wanna get 2 highball glasses. These look okay. And what you wanna do first of all is ice up your glass. The reason why I'm icing up my glass first is because I'm blindfolded. I don't wanna spill too much of the liquid, which I perfectly pour into these. So, ice up your glass to the top. I can see what you guys are doing. All the way to the top. There we go. Then we're gonna take the hero of the show, Mr. Absolut Vodka. 45 ml straight in. That's definitely 45 ml again. We missed a little bit. Next up, you wanna fill this up with some cranberry juice. You're looking at around about 150 ml. We're gonna go whoop, whoop, whoop. Like so. And like so. Next up, where is the garnishes? Do we have limes?
Think fast. Sorry.
The things I do for your entertainment, guys. You're gonna get some nice, perfectly formed wedges, and then stick them direct into the glass. And there you have it, guys. The Vodka Cranberry. Perfect. That actual full measure of 45 ml of vodka, which I definitely got in the glass, just elevates this drink to the next level. Super simple, super refreshing. Some people call it, I forgot the name of what people call it now. And now just gotta put the pack shot together, remove that, make it look pretty. Get some ice around it, style it out, get the vodka, yeah. And there you go, pack shot, baby. Next up, we're gonna show you guys how to make some amazing Vodka Tonic variations. These drinks are some of the biggest Vodka Tonic variants that are being drank in Brazil today, so let's get into it. Okay, so, yes. So we're gonna make these Vodka Tonic variants now. We need to find some glassware. We've got this nice ribbed glassware right here, and we're gonna make the vanilla and tonic in this one. Oh, just so I can differentiate. Yep, peach and vanilla's gonna go right into here. We want to ice the glasses up. We get them iced up as much as possible. You want to fill these glasses with as much ice, because the more ice, the colder the drink. The colder the drink, the less chance you've got of it diluted. And we don't like watery drinks. So as you can see, both glasses firmly filled. Next up, we want to take our flavored vodkas. Oh yeah. And we need to find some measuring equipment. Yup. Beautiful. So you want to take your vanilla vodka first, and we're going to put this direct into this glass. Next up, a peach vodka, and we want 40 mils. Next up, you need to find your tonic water. There we go. And we want to add tonic water to the peach. Damn. Add tonic water to the peach. And add tonic water to the vanilla. Damn. Next up, you want to find your garnishes. We want to take a nice little garnish of peach, and we want to take a nice garnish of orange, and this is going to be the perfect garnish for your peach and tonic. Next up, I'm going to take the garnish of apple, which is apples. Where are the apples? Nope. That's an apple from the magic floating box. Cinnamon is going to be right here. And then you want to take your vanilla vodka and tonic and pop those apple and cinnamon right in there. Let's have a taste. Measured out perfectly. The peach and tonic, super fruity, balanced out nice with that very, very bitter but perfectly sweet tonic water. And the vanilla, the tonic works perfectly. And with the aromas of the apple and the cinnamon, you get some real good apple pie vibes. Whoa. But as you can see, if I can make them blindfolded, you can make them blindfolded, guys. Super easy drinks, easy party drinks too. Stop it. I can sense someone here. No? Okay, click, subscribe. You know this is the best channel. We're even making drinks without sight, guys. I'm out of here. Okay, guys, now we're gonna get right into our next drink. We're gonna make a screwdriver, but we're gonna twist it up. You've already seen on this show before, we love making fluffy juices. We made it last time for the Greyhound with a nice centrifugal juice. I can never say that word. So today we're gonna try and do this again, but we're gonna make it using a stick blender. And we're gonna do a nice little twist of the screwdriver coming straight out of Brazil. Let's get into it. First up, we want to juice some oranges. You want to cut it in half, and make sure you cut it in half, not across where the stem would be. Cut it across this way because you really want to get the juicer tip right into the center of the fruit there, and then we kind of squeeze all the orange out. We're going to get all the pulp as much as possible. Do not throw away these husks. We can use these to make our own triple sec at a later date. So let's keep juicing. We're gonna need quite a lot of these oranges, usually around about 1.5 oranges per drink. Let's have a look. And we're looking for roughly around about 300 ml. Perfect. We're sitting at just above 300 ml there. Now we're gonna take our nice glassware, but if you don't have fancy glasses, don't worry, because truth is, it's all about the liquid. So we're gonna ice these up as much as possible. So we're gonna ice these up. Why do I keep saying uch? So we're gonna ice these up. We're gonna ice these up as much as possible with cubed ice. I wouldn't really recommend using crushed ice just because crushed ice really melts very fast. And you don't wanna put crushed ice into a drink like this because it's just gonna water down. Next up, as I said, this is a twist from Brazil. So we're gonna actually add some Absolut Apeach, 40 ml per drink, straight in. Now usually, I always say cheapest ingredient first, but we're gonna take a little bit of a risk now because we wanna make this juice fluffy. Usually, we'd use one of the centrifugal juicers, but I'm gonna show you how to do it using a stick or immersion blender right now. So, we're gonna take our immersion blender, and you wanna be holding it right in, making sure you get as much air into that juice as possible. And you want to hold it just near the top so that you're actually dragging air in as it spins. You see how it's a little bit cloudy? That means that the juice has been aerated and all nice and fluffy now. And we just want to pour that directly in there. Add roughly around 100 ml of orange juice, but it all depends on the size of your glass and how much orange juice you like. And next up, this is another twist coming straight from Brazil, and that is the addition of a little bitters. They like some bitters in there, so it's gonna put 2 little dashes, and then we're gonna just garnish with a nice orange slice. For slices, because oranges are really big, so you wanna take that wheel, slap it down, cut it in half so you got a nice half moon slice, and just stick that directly in. And there you go, the #1 screwdriver twist or variation coming straight out Brazil, the Fluffy Apeach Screwdriver. Already the bitters are giving so much more aromatics. You got that cloves, that cinnamon coming in through. You can smell the peach, that's just coming straight through up to your nose. That's really good. More air means more aroma means more flavor. This is one of the greatest drinks. Super easy to make, and it just elevates your simple screwdriver to one that could be served in one of the greatest bars in the world. The Fluffy Apeach Screwdriver with a dash of bitters. Very nice, guys. And if you guys want to see how this drink looks when you use a centrifuge juicer, check out our original screwdriver video and check out our Greyhound video on the channel. Thanks a lot, guys. Whoa, sorry guys, totally miscalculated there. Now, imagine this. You've got lots of people coming around and you're gonna have a little bit of a cocktail party. So I wanna show you how to prepare the best big batch of Absolut Vodka Martinis. So it's gonna be super easy for you to serve great cocktails at your party. You ready to get into this? You were expecting to see this come out and do some stirring, but we're not gonna do that. Because as I said, we're gonna make one big batch and we're gonna make it directly in the bottle. So the ratio for this is roughly 9-to-1, 9 vodka to 1 vermouth. This entire recipe we're gonna do in parts. First up, we need to remove 2 parts of Absolut vodka directly from the bottle. So we got 1, and we got 2. Next thing to do is super simple. We're gonna take our measure again, and we're gonna put 2 parts of dried vermouth directly back into the bottle. Now this cocktail is one of the most intimidating cocktails because although it's only 2 ingredients, it's easy to make but hard to master. And once you're done, just stick this directly into the freezer. Keep all your glassware for the party in the freezer overnight as well, because as I've said before, you don't put hot food on a cold plate, and we don't want to put cold drinks into hot glasses. All we're gonna do is go 1 part directly into the glass, and as you can see, the viscosity of the liquid is just that little bit more thick. That's what happens when you put alcohol into the freezer. Temperature really does affect the flavor. It makes everything a little bit more down, and it actually makes it a lot smoother. First up, classic martini garnishes. We're gonna go for a nice simple olive. Oh, let's go for 3, because that looks pretty. Ooh, these ain't pitted, they got pips in, so make sure you guess no. Stick that directly into your drink. Next classic martini garnish. Lemon zest. Lemon zest is my preferred garnish. I'm gonna make sure you get all the oils over there. As you can see, this zest is a little bit big for this glass, so I'm just gonna cut it up a little bit nicer. Get those oils all over and drop it in. And look at how simple that was, guys. No stirring, no ice, no mess. All the Absolut vodka martinis you need for your party in 1 bottle. Prep the night before. Chilled to perfection, and ooh, that is one good martini. Very spirit forward. The fact that it's ice cold makes it super smooth. It's just a great drink, and it's a showpiece. When have you ever been to a party and not been impressed by a vodka martinis? If you want to go something a little bit different, stick a pickled onion in there, and then you've got a Gibson martini. But we still have quite a lot left over, and don't even worry about that. Put it in the freezer, it'll stay there almost indefinitely. I'm not gonna give you an exact timestamp. Just be aware, you've always got a few Absolut vodka martinis sitting in your freezer, ready to go for whatever occasion you need a martini for. Don't forget to click, like, subscribe down at the bottom. We want to see all your comments because we read every single one. So anything you like or anything you don't like, stick in the comments. And we want to know what drinks you want to see in our next episode. So please stick them in our comments below. Don't forget, we also want to see all of your creations at home. We want to see your batches at home because I got 99 problems and a batch ain't one. So please, batch, don't kill my vibe. So post them up on social media, tag it at Absolut Vodka, hashtag at Absolut Drinks, and then you may even see your drink appear live on absolutdrinks.com. I don't know what else to say now. I'm just gonna say goodbye. Bye, batches. cut